I do what I want, nigga. King shit, you know what I mean? 4, 3, 4 at a time for the real niggas. I fuck for y'all niggas behind the fucking bars, nigga. Hey, yo, pause that shit real quick. Nah, son. I don't fuck for me, man. I fuck for my niggas that can't get no pussy, man. You know what I'm saying? I fuck for my bitch. I'm still on Son Nelly. Son Nelly,
He just put it back there.
Hey, yo, I fuck for my niggas behind bars, man. I know how it feel. Hey, yo, I fuck Aya for y'all. I fucking 3 at a time for y'all. I get my toes sucked just for y'all niggas. I don't even be wanting pussy. I fuck for y'all niggas behind the bars, nigga. I know how I feel that at Fifi, nigga. How I'm out here loving it for you. I be getting tired of all this pussy I got, bruh. I be like, God damn, I don't know if I want to fuck today. Who I want to fuck? Do I want my toes licked, my ass licked? I don't know. I might want to get my hair from the back. You come over here, man. I got you. I ain't gonna do that. Don't come over with that bullshit. Nah, nigga, ain't that type of party with it. Seriously, you feel me? I'm saying we going there with it. I'm trying to go there with it. Not these, but you know, when we get it like that, we can just throw these hoes around, nigga. These, I gotta do shit with these. Hold on. I need these real quick, and I'm gonna you can have these hoes. After I'm done. Y'all wouldn't give it to him if I gave it to you. Y'all wouldn't do that, right? I said, why you saying I give it to him? Cause y'all wanna go a little bit nuts. These bitches is nasty! Yo, my hoes is nasty. Y'all hoes ain't nasty like my hoes. They gon' fuck you and come back and be like, here's this wallet. Which one you like? Which one you like? Put it in the chat. Which one you want? Which one you want, son? Talk to me. Huh? Which one you want? Who you like? You like, fucking niggas. I put it all on fucking Twitter for you, nigga. Show you how I'm living, niggas. For me and you, we brothers, man. We throw these bitches. Fuck on, man. Where my Twitter at?
Right here.
Yeah, what the fuck going on, nigga? Demon time.
Demon time.
They scared of me, right? Scared of a real nigga. Crazy. Ain't that crazy? We're creepy out here. Oh, but in our world, we're fucking heroes and big bosses. And guess what? We use this money just to make ourselves feel like that. We don't even know what we're doing. We don't even know why we're doing it. We just want to feel like that. We be playing with this money. We be hustling. We smart. Nigga, we get dropped off here in the worst states and make the most of them because we gods. Yo, we gods, we do what we want with this reality. Once we figure it out in our mind, like it don't matter what another nigga gotta say, it's only about what I believe, and that's all that matters. That's what I'm holding, and then you hold that and you believe that, and you go to sleep and you wake up, your reality give you a little more of that. You go to sleep, you wake up, your reality gonna give you a little more of that. You go to sleep, you gotta believe it though. You gotta be, and this shit gonna come and say, nigga, no the fuck you can't, no the fuck you not. But if you believe it in your mind and you leave it in your will, even if you wanna get out of that jail, I can tell you how to do it. Do you wanna know how to do it? I can tell you how to get out of jail right now. Do you wanna know how to do it? I promise you, I can tell you how to get out of jail right now. Wait. Yo. Oh my. Yo. Yo. Oh. Yo, 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 yo. It can't be this real. It can't be this real. It can't. This is kid. Oh my God! It can't be me. Oh my God! Oh I'm God! Oh I'm God! Oh my! Oh I'm God! Oh my! That's what we was really saying when we said, "Oh my God!" You said, "Oh I'm God! Oh I'm God!" It's a fucking code. You just have to break that code. It's like, "Oh my God!" It's "Oh I'm God!" It's just right there. That code. It's like one little one. Just get that little one out there and it says, "Oh, I'm God." It was all coded. We coded it like that. Oh, it's just binary code, nigga. Oh my God. Oh, I'm God. Oh my God. Oh, I'm God. It's the same shit. It's just one little frequency off, and it's like, oh, I'm God. And we put it like that. We made it and coded it like that. So when we wake up, we can tap that in, and we already there. And niggas is developing the government right now, yo. That's gonna be here when the white man structures. That's basically, yo, son. This shit is waking up on its own. Nature's doing this. I'm not doing it. Nature's doing it.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, so I was telling one of my hoes the other day, I had to check this bitch and tell her, look, this bitch general. These bitches be getting out of pocket.
Yo.
The fuck? Come here, dog. Come here, nigga.
It can't be this real. It can't be this kid. Oh my God, it can't be
The
this.
fuck?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. That's what we was really saying. We said, oh my God. You said, oh
The
I'm
fuck
God.
did you-
Oh I'm God.
Hey, Remy. You mean to tell me we've been trolling my evil gay twin brother, Marshall, this whole time, and this motherfucker was on the loose? Oh, I quit. I quit. The jig is up. The jig is up. I quit. This is some. You don't get no crazier than this, family. You get no crazier than this. Hello, Mama. Tell Pastor Deacon I will be back in church on Sunday. Yes, I will be back in church on Sunday. I will be a good little boy from here on out. I promise I will never let my cat drug me again. I'll stop beating up my baby mamas. I won't shoot at none of their houses again. Wait, what? No, I'm not on drugs right now. You asking too many questions.